in the lawyering business of Attorney Valles, because when the new spokesperson of the president was interviewed, he averred that Attorney Valles used to work in the office of the Special Assistant to the President up until March 1, 2021. And then, since then, he is now connected with the office of a member of the House of Representatives. Would you know, Mr. Ergani, if that's an accurate information?
I believe he was connected with the House of Representatives, but he also left that job.
When did he leave the job?
I remember when we spoke in August, he already said that he had
He
resigned.
was no longer connected.
Yes, that's correct.
And you don't know that for a fact, you know?
Well, that's what I would like to. I take his word for it.
Yes, because Attorney or Secretary Nograles used the present tense when he was interviewed, you know, that he is now connected with the office of a member of the House of. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, I brought that up because uh, of the provision of RA 6713, or the ethical standards, you know, of public officials, particularly Section 7, Paragraph B, Subparagraph 2, no? Yung prohibited acts and transactions. And we know this, Mr. Chairman, because when our lawyers, our members of our legislative staff would like to practice their professions, because if we want to earn extra, an extra living, you know, through honest means, then we allow them. And it is the head of office, no less than the Senate President, who would give them that limited authority. That's why it's very important that we establish the fact that Attorney Valles, whether Attorney Valles is still connected with the House of Representatives or not, because if he's still connected with the office of a member of the House of Representatives, then he's clearly violating Section B or Section 7, Paragraph B, Subparagraph 2 of 6713. And it carries with it a penalty of imprisonment not exceeding 5 years or a fine of not exceeding 5,000 pesos.